Hey YouTube. Everything's looking pretty good for him. They took him off the life support yesterday. I'm actually about to walk and see how he's doing now. I'm about to walk and see how my boy's doing. Good thing they let us park, here at the hospital. Or should I say good thing that I bobtail, because when you bobtail, you can pretty much, get in anywhere. It's almost as if you got a car. So, when I get up there, I'm introduce y'all to him, which I think I already have, but he's still seasoned a little. He's still having some problems, I guess, for the medication. So they have to pretty much purge all that crap that he put in his system out. But the good thing is, at least he's young, and he's strong. So he's coming around. I just hope that he learned his lesson so that nobody have to go through this. Because when a mom tries to tell a kid to stop doing the things they doing that can sabotage their life, they don't want to listen. So I just pray that this is a wake-up call, because it's hard dealing with stuff as a parent, and all you're trying to do is look out for your child, and all they want to do is just be rebellious. So y'all come with me. Now I gotta try to find my way through this hospital. I wish y'all young kids would just straighten up. I gotta try to find my way in this place. So, alright, y'all hold on. Okay, I'm back. This hospital don't seem too bad. I know a lot of people that's any hospital, a lot of people have passed away, but some hospitals are just really crappy the way they don't care. They don't put in their full effort. They don't put in their full effort to save lives, but I'm guessing this hospital probably do. But you know what? I might just put y'all on hold. And thank you everybody for the prayers. Thank y'all for the support. Thank y'all for checking on me. Thank y'all for everything. I'm just kind of looking, trying to see where I gotta go, because this place is kind of confusing, trying to from door to door. I hate coming to the hospital. I lost a few people. Always brings back memories. So yeah, but yeah, young kids, if y'all got parents that care and they showing you the right way to be, please listen to your parents. Your parents is not going to tell you nothing wrong. Especially, if a parent is there for you, you gotta learn to appreciate what you got, because at any moment, as you see, anything can be stripped from you, whether it's your life, whether it's the parents yourself, because who's to say that, if something happened to me, and I'm sure that would mess him up. So kids, get it together. Stop the drugging. Stop hanging with the knuckleheads. Stop all the partying. All that stuff ain't worth it at the end of the day. Y'all be thinking that that's cool, when indeed it's not cool. It might be fun for that moment, but it had more repercussions than anything. So I think I know where I'm going. Yeah. But thank God that he let my son live to see another day, because I ain't gonna lie, there's no way that I could deal with burying a son, my firstborn at that. So y'all hold on for a second, I'll be back. Okay, well, looks like he's doing good. Matter of fact, let me check on him just to see if he's doing well. So let me see. I know you said no visitors till 4, but is he doing better than he was before? Okay. Okay, I got my code. Oh, so you sitting up now? Okay, thank you. Bye. Okay, so he's doing good. So they finally got him sitting up. So, all right, y'all. Time's of the essence. Let's make better time of it. And I hope y'all doing better than me today. This is one hell of a birthday present. Birthday tomorrow. And the best present I can get is being in the hospital watching my boy fight for his life. One hell of a present, ain't it? So, alright, y'all. I'll be getting back with y'all soon. Matter of fact, just to pass time by and kind of get my mind off of all this stuff, I'm going to get that handout and we can do the pre-trip, at least on the tractor, because I don't have the trailer, so we can do the pre-trip on the truck, and I'll just show y'all that. So, deuces.